Bubble cushions already roll. I press starting like my wooden room. I go skirt. I got a lemon squeeze, bitch. It's a problem solver.
Hey guys, so I look like a egghead, but this is gonna be the start of me redecorating my room because my dog threw up in my chair, so this chair gotta go. And I'm gonna throw it away tonight. I plan on getting like new furniture for my room, like a desk, so I can have like a vanity section. Let me turn on the light. So if you guys don't want to be disgusted, you might want to look away, but she threw up in the chair. This chair, I'm gonna be buying my furniture for my room. I want to switch out my dressers. It's a mess right now, so I gotta do another clean my room with me. But I want to switch out these dressers for like a white set of dressers, and I want to get a desk so I can have a place to sit and do my hair and stuff. Alright guys, so my desk came and they didn't even knock on my door. They just left it outside my door and I got a text message saying it was delivered. So I'm about to put this together and redecorate this room. I don't even have a chair for this desk. Say cheese! Yay! She keeps trying to be a part of my video. So you guys see all of this here? I'm gonna have to throw this away, like, because it's broken and it's just carrying junk, and I gotta clean this off again. But I'm gonna move these. I actually want to change these out for a white dresser, and then I have to move my mirror. I don't know if I want to keep the desk like against this wall. I think it would be perfect against this wall or on this side. I'm not sure yet. I really like it. It was easy to put together. It took like 30 minutes. It probably looked a little crooked, but I don't know. This was only $39 at Walmart. I'll leave it linked down below. It comes with one drawer, which is all I really need. This is the mirror that I'm gonna be putting on my desk. I don't even have a chair. I was amateur move, but I'm gonna be getting a chair. It's probably gonna be white as well. But I'm gonna put this on here, and I have to move this and clean this off because I'm gonna put this desk against this wall. I feel like it's only right. It makes perfect sense. So this is what it looks like. This is the mirror. It's really pretty. This is from Impressions Vanity Company, and you can like lift it. It's so cute. It has the little buttons right here. I wonder what this does. This looks so cute. I need to a chair, and this is gonna look even better because I need a place to do my hair, being that I don't do makeup. This is just really cute, and this could be like my filming space.
Bubble cushions already roll. I press starting like my wooden room. I go skirt. I got a lemon squeeze, bitch. It's a problem solver.